I'm very passionate is because of all the free opportunities on Goodreads. The other reason I'm passionate about it is because there's such a stigma against Goodreads, and so I've taken it upon myself to change as many minds as I possibly can. So we'll see if I'm able to change your mind today. Why is Goodreads important, okay? For many of you who've been ignoring it, let me just give you a brief moment to talk to you about Goodreads. Goodreads has over 53 million users, and that number is 2 years old. I am assured that it is closer to 70 or 80 million users, and they aren't just users, they're readers, okay? Every single person who has a Goodreads profile reads books. This isn't Facebook, this isn't Twitter, this isn't Instagram. If they are on Goodreads, it is for a single purpose, and that is to talk about a book, to find a book, or to share a book with someone else. That's it, right? People are on Facebook exchanging cooking recipes, or showing photos of their cats, or bragging about their latest vacation. That is not what Goodreads is about. Goodreads is 100% focused on books. Why wouldn't we want to be there, right? That in itself is so powerful.